Welcome to Vision Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how to create hugging and kissing AI videos online using Hugging AI. First, let's take a look at the video generated by AI. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to create this type of video. Let's go to Remaker AI. Click on the Login or Sign Up button. You can log in with your email or use Google. I will click on Google to log in. Once you are logged in, click on the AI Video Tools button. Now click on Image to Video. You will see several models available. I will choose the default model, Remaker 1.0 Standard. Next, click on Image to upload an image. Choose the aspect ratio according to your needs. I will choose Custom and then click on Upload Image. Now scroll down and type your prompt in the prompt box. For example, make two people in the photo hug each other. Keep the same original features. Keep the prompt strength at default. Set the video length to 5 seconds. Now hit the Generate button. Wait for some time while the AI creates the video. Once the video is generated, preview it. If you are happy with the result, click on Download to save it. And that's it. You have successfully created a Hugging AI video using Remaker AI. Now upload an image that includes both a man and a woman. In the prompt box, type this instruction. Make the two people in the photo smile and kiss. Keep the same original function. Keep the prompt strength at the default setting. Next, choose the video length. You can select seconds or 10 seconds. I will choose 5 seconds for this example. Now click on the Generate button to create the video. Wait for a few moments while the AI processes your request. Once it is ready, check out the preview of your generated video. If you are satisfied, click on the Download button to save it to your device. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vision Academy for more AI tutorials. See you in the next video.